the situation right now, it's 10:36 and our flight is at 7 p.m. Our boarding is at 7 p.m. So we got a lot of time to kill. So let's walk around Fukuoka Airport. Oh, and if you're thinking, oh, why aren't we just leaving our stuff and going to explore Fukuoka? The locker is like 1,000 yen, and we don't want to do that. So let's just walk around here and see what we can find. So there's this. We'll check this out later for like souvenirs and stuff. There's this. Some quick souvenir items. So it's really cute. It's a Pokemon. I mean, that's a Pikachu. So cute. Okay, Matsumoto Kiyoshi. Let's check it out. I still got some yen to spend, but I think I'll just save it for food. The price is pretty similar to the ones you get outside, actually. This can make not too much makeup. They got more famous makeup here, but not too much. Yeah, mostly just the really famous ones are here. Nothing I'm too interested in. Okay, let's go check out the restaurants upstairs. I lied, we're not at the restaurants. We're trying this out first. See if we could buy any snackies. I don't know. They have a Kit Kat Tokyo Banana, but not the actual Tokyo Banana, I don't think. That's interesting. Fancy chocolate. Ooh, they got mochi. This is mochi, I think.
I'm gonna bring that.
712. No, it's rice cake. It's strawberry rice cake. Isn't that mochi? Is that just another word for mochi? So I think we could get one of these. Is this 3? Oh, it's for 3.
I'm gonna get
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, I'll get one. I'll get one. I'll go back for this. Then again, I only have like 1,000 yen left to spend, and that's like, how much was it? 712 yen. Okay. Oh, they also have the Royce chocolates. Good stuff. Good stuff, I must say. Okay, let's go check out. Oh, there's gacha. Oh, I like this. It's a nice display. Oh, so cute. I didn't get too much gacha this trip, actually. Very proud. I'm trying to restrict myself, so I'm not buying too much gacha. Nothing too fancy. Alright, let's go check up upstairs. Upstairs? Check out upstairs. There you go. I do hope that there's some gacha upstairs. I would like that very much. So this is it. It's quite small. Not a lot of options. I would hope for more, especially with how long we're gonna be waiting here for. But let's check it out. Maybe there's some good stuff. Oh, there's Baskin Robbins. Mentai filled French bread. Typical Japanese food. The most amazing sushi. There's this. What is this? Oh, there's more stuff here. Okay. Curry. Ooh, I love this, except I just ate curry last night. I'm hoping for like a McDonald's, not gonna lie. I know it's so weird, but there's udon. Yeah. Sorry about the weird camera angles. I just don't want to I try to not include people, privacy and all that. There's an observation deck. Let's go check this out. Doesn't look like there's other places to eat though. Ooh. Okay. Oh, there's ice cream. More ice cream. I think I'm good though. There's also, gosh, I don't know the name. Downstairs, there's another food place. Let me go show you. Costa Coffee. Yep. I think I'll get the snack here because I am quite peckish. Ooh, there's something else over there. Ooh, there's more gacha. Take advantage of the leftover Japanese yen. So true, bestie, so true. Let's go see if we can take advantage. This looks cute. Never mind. Well, that's kind of cute. How much? 300. Let's see if there's anything else. It's just a pouch. Ooh, I like these. Oh, nope. I thought it was like a figure, but it's just it is a figure, but you know, it's not the actual noodle. What else do we got over here? Okay. Again, nothing I'm too interested in. Okay, phone died, but 300 yen. Interesting. But I will not get it, I don't think. And the last one we got over here, gift shop, more Japanese souvenirs. I think that's it. Maybe there's more inside, but well, we can't go in till like 3 p.m., 4 p.m. I'll go buy me a snack then. What snack? Early dinner. Wow. For me and my sister. And then we got snacks for the plane. There's some food places here, but not too much, so. Okay, bye-bye.